A mission statement, a type of statement of purpose, is a statement which is used to communicate the purpose of an organization. Although most of the time it will remain the same for a long period of time, it is not uncommon for organizations to update their mission statement. This generally happens when an organization evolves. Mission statements are normally short and simple statements which outline what the organization's purpose is and are related to the specific sector an organization operates in. Properly crafted mission statements serve as filters to separate what is important to an organization from what is not, clearly state which markets will be served and how, and communicate a sense of intended direction to the entire organization. A mission differs from a vision in that the former is the cause and the latter is the effect. A mission is something to be accomplished whereas a vision is something to be pursued for that accomplishment. Other designations of the mission concept may include company mission, corporate mission, or corporate purpose. The mission statement should guide the actions of an organization, spell out its overall goal, provide a path, and guide decision-making. It provides the framework or context within which the company's strategies are formulated. It is like a goal for what a company wants to do for the world. According to Chris Bart, a commercial mission statement consists of 3 essential components. Key market, who is your target client or customer, generalize if needed. Contribution, what product or service do you provide to that client? Distinction, what makes your product or service unique, so that the client would choose you? A personal mission statement is developed in much the same way that an organizational mission statement is created. A personal mission statement is a brief description of what an individual wants to focus on, wants to accomplish and wants to become. It is a way to focus energy, actions, behaviors and decisions towards the things that are most important to the individual. Moreover, it can be a part of an overall personal statement that an individual makes when applying for a university or a job.